Ready to discover Python's secret language? Every piece of information has a special type, and Python needs to know which is which. Today we're unlocking Python's 4 fundamental data types. By the end, you'll recognize integers, floats, strings, and booleans like a pro. Let's dive into Python's data world. Here's the thing. Python treats different types of information differently. It's like knowing whether a box contains liquid or solid. You handle them in completely different ways. First up, the integers. These are whole numbers without any decimal point. See how we have 25 students, -5 degrees in the year 2024? All whole numbers, all integers. Next, we have floats, numbers with decimal points. Notice that price has 49.99, height is 5.7, and pi has many decimal places. The decimal point is the key here. Third type, strings. These are text wrapped in quotes. School name Maktab, city Lahore, or our welcome message. Whether you use single or double quotes, they both work perfectly. Here's a cool tip. Python doesn't care if you use single or double quotes for strings. Both work exactly the same. Just pick one style and stick with it throughout your program. But watch out. Never mix your quotes. If you start with double quotes, then end with double quotes. If you start with single quotes, then end with single quotes. Mixing them will crash your program. Finally, booleans. These can only be true or false. That's it. Is someone a student? True. Is homework done? Maybe false. Is it raining? Could be true. Just 2 possible values. Here's your memory trick. If you see quotes around something, it's always a string. Even if it looks like a number, like quote 123 quote, Python treats it as text, not math. Time to test your new skills. Look at these 4 values and think about their types. Take a moment to figure out what type each one is. Let's reveal the answers. 42 is an integer. No quotes, no decimal. Quote 42 quote is a string. Those quotes make it text. 3.0 is a float because of that decimal point. And true is a boolean, one of only 2 possible values. Amazing work. You just learned Python's 4 data types. Integers for whole numbers, floats for decimals, strings for text and quotes, and booleans for true or false. You now speak Python's data language. Next up, discovering how variables can change their values.